Hi, I'm Rob Mandel with the Mandel Trial Lawyers, and I'm here to share with you 5 secrets that the insurance companies don't want you to know if you get hurt by someone or some company that they insure. And they don't want you to know these things because insurance companies don't want to pay claims. They want to try and hold on to their money. So if you know these things, you're going to protect your rights and protect your claim. So here we go. Secret number 1 is try to secure as much evidence at the scene as possible. That means taking pictures, getting witness statements, all that sort of thing. And we'll talk about that in more detail in another video. But try and do it if you're physically able to. Secret number 2 is if and when you see a medical professional, you want to tell that medical professional everything that's going on with you. And that means even if it's your neck, for instance, that's really killing you when you get to the emergency room and your knee is just hurting a little bit, you still want to mention that knee. Of course, you want to get that immediate attention for the thing that is bothering you the most. But it could be weeks or months down the line, it's the other injury, the more minor injury, that really has become the bigger problem. And you don't want to leave a door open for the insurance company to say it's not related to that incident or to the wrongful conduct of their insured. So mention everything. Secret number 3, don't give recorded statements to insurance companies. Don't admit fault even if you think you're partially to blame for the incident. And certainly don't give recorded statements or statements in writing to insurance companies, especially if you don't have an attorney in the mix. And we'll talk about that in just a second. But the reason you don't want to do that is primarily because insurance companies have very skilled interviewers and claims adjusters who know how to get you to say things that could be possibly harmful to your case and that they can possibly use against you. So it's best not to talk to them at all. And even if they tell you, well, we might not pay your claim or help you out if you don't cooperate with us, don't believe them. They still have the same obligations. So don't give recorded statements. Secret number 4, stay off of social media while your case is pending. And that is because the wrong post on social media can be misconstrued and used against you in the very same way that a recorded statement could be. So something as innocent as I went on a picnic with my family because I was feeling better that day, and you post pictures about that picnic, and the insurance company gets a hold of those pictures from your site or even from a site that you're tagged in, they can possibly use that to suggest that you're exaggerating your injury or you're doing something inconsistent with your injury, and you don't want that. So it's okay to wish grandma happy birthday on social media, but don't post anything about your situation, your medical condition, or the incident on social media. The insurance companies definitely want you to do that because they can get a hold of that stuff even if it's private. So follow secret number 4 and just don't do it. Secret number 5 is one of the most important ones of all. And that is hire a lawyer early in your case, as soon as you're physically able to do so. And that's because the insurance company has teams of lawyers on their side. Some of these big insurance companies actually own law firms. And they have a substantial advantage over you if you don't have an attorney of your own on your team. Now, when choosing a lawyer, you want to find a firm like ours that starts preparing your case for trial from day one. Because insurance companies are intimidated and much more willing to cooperate with firms that know how to try cases and that are well prepared to take your case to trial if need be. Not that many cases actually go to trial, but every case should be prepared and worked up as if it is going to trial. And our firm, like most other personal injury firms, works on a contingency fee basis, meaning we don't even get paid until we resolve your case either through a settlement or by a jury verdict trial. So, with that said, I wish you well. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us. And there's no reason not to have an attorney on your side. So let's talk.